Sai Ram students, today in value education period we will see chapter 9 Guru Nanak. Guru Nanak was born to Kaluchan and Tripta. He had a sister named Nanaki. They lived in Talwandi village in Punjab. Kaluchan was an accountant by profession. At the age of 5, Guru Nanak showed interest to divine subjects. Meaning of the word divine is spiritual or godly. Kaluchan sent him to school at the age of 7. At school, Nanak did not attend to his studies. He always sat in silence. One day, his teacher asked him, "Why do you idle your time in the class?" Idle, I-D-L-E, idle. Meaning of idle is lazy. So one day his teacher asked him, "Why do you idle your time in the class?" Nanak said, "Sir, I like to think more of God than of my lesson." The teacher was surprised and thought he would become a great saint one day. Kaluchan appointed private tutors to teach Nanak Hindi, Sanskrit and Persian. From all these languages, Nanak tried to learn more of God. He soon became well versed with the religious teachings of great philosophers. Meaning of the word well versed is very knowledgeable or learned. So he soon became well versed with the religious teachings of great philosophers. Nanak was married to a girl called Sulakshana. They had 2 sons. Yet Nanak did not try to earn any money to make a living. When Nanak's sister got married, she took him to Sultanpur. There her husband Jairam got him the job of a storekeeper. For some time, Nanak worked hard. Later, he started giving away foodstuffs like atta, etc. to sannyasis without taking money in return. At last, one day he left the job and went to a forest to meditate on God. God appeared before him and said, "Always say my name and teach others to do the same." Nanak decided to carry out this message to the world. Nanak then went on a pilgrimage to holy places like Kashi, Gaya, Puri, etc. Meaning of the word pilgrimage is a pilgrim's journey. He visited even Mecca, where Prophet Muhammad, the founder of Islam, was born. One day at Mecca, Nanak slept with his feet towards the Kaaba, the holy building. The priest said to Nanak, "Do not keep your legs turned that way. It is like insulting God." Nanak said, "Sir, if you think so, will you turn my feet where God is not?" The priest dragged Nanak's legs and placed them in another direction. Then a miracle happened. The structure also turned towards Nanak's legs. All the people at once knew that Nanak was not an ordinary man, but a great saint. They learned the lesson that God is everywhere. Nanak earned the name of Guru and people respected him wherever he went. He taught people that everyone is equal in the eyes of God. We should not differentiate on the basis of caste and religion. He started langar, a common kitchen where people of different castes and religions sat together and ate food. According to Guru Nanak, God is our teacher and we are all his disciples. Meaning of the word disciple is followers. On the basis of these teachings, his religion is known as Sikhism. It comes from the word Sikh or Shishya, which means disciple. Guru Nanak's teachings can be found in the holy book Granth Sahib. The gist of his teachings are as under. First, there is only one God. Second, Hindus and Muslims are not different people, all are one. Third, God and God's name are the same everywhere. Fourth, repeating God's name is the only way to reach God. The temple of the Sikhs is called Gurudwara. There is a famous Gurudwara in Amritsar called the Golden Temple. After Nanak, many Sikh Gurus came who enriched his teachings. Meaning of the word enriched, improved or complemented. Now let us see more about the Golden Temple. The Golden Temple is a prominent Sikh Gurudwara located in the city of Amritsar, Punjab. Meaning of the word prominent. Meaning of the word prominent is important or famous. The temple is referred to as the Harmandir Sahib. It is considered to be very holy by Sikhs. The most holy text of Sikhism, the Guru Granth Sahib, is worshipped inside the Gurudwara. Harmandir Sahib literally means the temple of God. The Gurudwara is surrounded by a large lake or temple tank known as the Sarovar, which consists of Amrit, holy water or the immortal nectar. There are 4 entrances to the Gurudwara. It signifies the importance of acceptance and openness. Inside the Gurudwara complex, there are many shrines of past Gurus, saints and the martyrs. Meaning of the word shrines is holy places or temples. Here, one of the most important festivals that is celebrated is Baisakhi, which falls on the second week of April, usually on the 13th of April. Sikhs celebrate the founding of the Khalsa on this day. It is celebrated with a great fervor in the Harmandir Sahib. Meaning of the word fervor is intense and passionate feeling. Some other important festivals like Guru Nanak Jayanti, the birthday of Guru Nanak, the Martyrs' Day of Guru Tej Bahadur, etc. are also celebrated with religious piety. On the Diwali day, the Harmandir Sahib is beautifully illuminated with diyas or lamps. Illuminated meaning is lit with bright lights. Fireworks are also displayed. During these special occasions, many thousands of people visit the holy shrine. Most of the Sikhs visit the holy shrine, that is the Golden Temple, at least once during their lifetime. So let us see what Guru Nanak says. First is Van Chako, means share with others, help the needy. Second is Kirat Karo, that is earn and make a living honestly without exploitation or fraud. Third is Naam Japna, that is chant the holy name and thus remember God all the time. So children, after the chapter there are many activities given, question and answers, crossword puzzle and circle the answer, this type of questions given. You will do all this on your own as a homework. Let's stop here children. Sai Ram.